Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg, and this is a 67 Chevelle. It's a real 138 car. It's got a big block in it, and it's a really rare color too. Tahoe Turquoise. Came that way from the factory, and you're gonna love checking it out. So go to the website at vanguardmotorsales.com. We'll put it up on the lift so you can check out the underside. We're gonna pop the hood, we're gonna look at the interior, we're gonna look inside the trunk, we're gonna go out and drive it. We're gonna show you everything you wanna see so you can make a great decision on your 67 Chevelle investment. So come on up and we'll fire it up for you right now. All right, look at this paint. Tahoe Turquoise, man, talk about pretty. I tell you, pull this car into any car show, nobody there is gonna have one that's Tahoe Turquoise, and more than likely, if they do, it didn't come that way from the factory like this one. And the painter on this car did a phenomenal job. The body works straight, the body lines are straight, all the chrome looks good, the grille looks awesome, and when you look down the side of it, look how straight that, it looks like a 2018 67 Chevelle, guys. This thing is sweet. Got that 427 power under the hood now. Now we looked up the casting number just to double check, and sure enough, that casting number is 427 specific. So we know this is definitely a 427 under the hood. Look at this interior. You want to talk about impeccable? It looks like it just came off the factory floor. She's beautiful. We've got the 4-speed in there. We've got seat belts in the rear. We've got the trim around the back window looking good. And that headliner looks like you could bounce a quarter off of it. Even the dome lights working. The sun visors look good. The dash pad itself, some beautiful shape. All the lenses on the gauges look good. Then we got a 3-pack of gauges down there so we can monitor the motor real nice and close. Real sharp looking ride right here. And look down that quarter panel. I'd see the reflection of my cameraman perfectly in that reflection. Now we've got beautiful chrome here. All the chrome on the tail lights looks good. Now these are all things you need to be looking at if you're buying a car. You got to look at all these moldings. Make sure they're straight, make sure they're shiny. Oh my goodness, look at the trunk here. Look how beautiful that is. Those wheel wells, solid as a rock. Back sides of the quarters, nice and clean. Paintwork, even on the bottom side of the deck lid, looks good. All the gutters here around the opening of the trunk look great. That rubber was replaced. You check out these lips on the deck lid, especially this bottom lip here. That's where the water would set in behind this piece of chrome. Actually, that's a piece of stainless. Look down the side of it, straight as can be. Look at that, no door dings, no nicks, no scratches, just a phenomenal paint job. You can see it's 4-wheel disc brakes too. The car's amazing, guys. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we're not consignment dealers. That means we own this car. Right now we have a little over 220 cars in stock, and we own every one of those cars. Now we bring in about 40 new cars every month, and I'm part of buying every one of those cars. So what that means to you is you're getting my 35 plus years of experience helping you pick out your dream car. All right, 67 Chevelle time, guys. 427 power under the hood. 4-speed shifter in front of this bench seat. Really rare color on this awesome car. I tell you what, you want to talk about attention getter. You got the best of both worlds right here. Cool color, cool motor, and horsepower. What a blast to drive, guys. Nothing better than a 4-speed and a big block, especially when you're in a 67 Chevelle. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we can ship this car anywhere in the world. You just give us a call at 248-974-9513. Tom can tell you just how easy it is to ship this dream to your driveway, no matter where you live in the world. And if you need a little help with financing, Tom can help you out there too. We got 3 bankers we work with on the financing. Takes about a 15-minute phone call with the banker and we can get this dream in your drive. You can actually fill out online also if you want. Just go to our website at vanguardmotorsales.com and you can check out the rest of the inventory too. Don't forget, we're bringing in about 40 new cars every month. We've always got new inventory coming in. You never know what we'll bring in next. So keep an eye on Facebook, YouTube. Check our website often. We've always got new stuff coming in. And we're gonna turn around here and head back to the shop where we're gonna do something nobody else in the industry is doing right now. We're gonna put this thing up in the air so you can check out how cool the bottom side is. We're gonna get the hood up, take a look at that 427 making all that power. We're gonna show you everything you need to see so you can make a great decision. Now look down here on the dash. Speedo's working, the dash looks great by the way. It does have an aftermarket radio in it. I better pay attention to where I'm going. We do have a 3-pack of gauges down there keeping track of everything we need to keep track of. Even the horn's working, guys. The finished work on the car is amazing. The color's amazing. The motor's amazing. It's a 4-speed and we're out driving in the beautiful weather. I tell you what, all we need is a car show or ice cream shop to head to and we're all set. Now we're right outside the Motor City, not too far from the airport, so if you'd like to fly out and check out this car or the rest of our inventory, we would love to have you. Just give us a call, let us know you're coming. We'd love to have you. Only 20 minutes from the airport, we'll even come out and pick you up. If you'd like to drive out on a Saturday, we're here till 3 o'clock. Just let Tom know you're coming. Now we've got 80,000 square feet under roof here and over 220 cars in stock. So make sure you call Tom, let him know you're coming so we can have your favorite car out front. We might have to move a couple to get your favorite car out front so you can take a nice close look at it. If you want to send an inspector, no problem. We'll treat them just like we treat you. Just have them give us a call before they come out. If you see something on the car you'd like a little different, go for it. Give Tom a call. We can do anything to a car that you can have done. Now here's our building here at 15100 Keel Street, Plymouth, Michigan. So stick with us. We're gonna get it up in the air for you right now so you can check out the underside. All right, we're underneath this Chevelle now, and man, she's just as pretty underneath. Look at that tank. It is beautiful. Look at the reflection. I can see I'm gonna need a new haircut here, man. It's getting long. Hey, we got new bushings here. We got great coating on the frame. Drop downs look good. The trunk floor looks like it's brand new. That exhaust system also looks like it's stainless, all TIG welded together, and it's looking beautiful. We got a 12 bolt with a 373 gear in it, and it is a posi. And look at the size of that sway bar, man. That thing is massive. We got aftermarket lower control arms and upper control arms. We got brand new shocks. We got disc brakes on the back. We got a brand new fuel line. We got stainless steel mufflers here. We got a brand new brake line. Looks like the parking brake cable's also new. And look at the paintwork on these floorboards. I tell you, they are beautiful. Even the exhaust up here, this is all stainless, guys. That TIG weld looks like a sewing machine did it, man. It is beautiful. It's got the X pipe in it. Got stainless headers on it. It's got a T10 4-speed trans. It's got the mechanical clutch and explosion-proof bell housing. Everything up here is painted nice. The frame's painted nice up here. We do have disc brakes up here. The shocks look good. The springs look great. Rotors are nice and smooth. It feels like they're drilled and slotted. It looks like the ball joints are new. We do have a sway bar up front. It is a manual steering car. This is a go-fast car, guys. We got nice front straight frame horns here. Core support looks good. Chrome on the front bumper's beautiful. And you better invest in some mirrors because you're gonna want to show off the bottom side of this car. Let's look at wheels and tires. All right, up front here we got torque thrust. These are American Racings. I don't see any rash on them whatsoever. And 215/70/15s. Paintwork right down to the bottom edge. That rocker molding looks good. The wheel lip molding looks good. The paintwork on the inner wheelhouse looks good. And I always feel around back here behind the front fenders, make sure it's good and solid. And that pinch weld on the rocker also is beautiful and painted. Let's check the rear. All right, out back here, we got a bunch of rubber where it meets the road. This is where the horsepower is put down to the pavement. 275/60 15s, drilled and slotted rotors there. And again, wheels look great. And look at that paint work right down to the bottom edge. Look at them spot welds. Look how nice and clean all that is. I see brand new body bushings here. And again, paint on the frame looks good. And look at that exhaust. They even took the time to put a little dump on it. Ain't that cool? Let's check under the hood. All right, under the hood here, they've installed a 427. It is a 67 casting only. Real 427, guys. We got a Performer RPM intake that they've painted to match the motor. They got some beautiful aluminum valve covers. We do have a 750 Holly sitting on top. It is mechanical secondaries and a double pumper. It's got a aftermarket billet distributor in it. Looks like a brand new alternator, looks like a brand new radiator, an Optima battery. Great looking paint on these inner fenders. Those headers are looking great from up here. They look like they're probably 1 7/8 tube. Firewall's nice and clean. All the wiring's nice and neat. We do have power brakes. Like I said, it is manual steering. It is a go fast car. Great looking air cleaner on top of that 4-barrel. The car is amazing, guys. 427 power. Really rare car, really rare color, beautiful restoration. Call us at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your drive.